ṣé bọ́lọ́pàá ti arrest àwọn èèyàn tó sọ pé Sam Larry àti Naira Marley ló pààyàn. Let's challenge the Nigerian police together. We want to see the outcome of their investigation. Ẹni tó ní Sam Larry àti Naira Marley ló pààyàn, ṣé tòótọ́ ló sọ àbó parọ́ mọ́ wọn ni?
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin yìí di àpòrúkọ rẹ̀ ní LIZZY Anjorin, ó di tún sọ̀rọ̀ sí Nigerian police o. Ó ní wọ́n sọ pé Sam Larry, Naira Marley àwọn méjèèjì ló pa Mohbad. Ó ní kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tí Nigerian police ò lè sọ wípé àwọn báyìí ló pa o, tí ó jẹ́ wípé gbogbo investigation tí wọ́n ṣe kò sí nǹkan kan tí wọ́n rí yọrí lára rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ wo fídíò yìí torí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ni LIZZY Anjorin sọ nínú fídíò yìí. Ó tún fẹnubà gist lover nínú fídíò náà. Ó yá, ó máa play rẹ̀ fún yín nísìnyí.
Madalo, RIP gist lover. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ the investigation so far. Nigeria wants to see it, and I'm using this opportunity or this medium to tell whoever in charge of Naira Marley and Sam Larry petition, Nigerians want to know, ṣé tòótọ́ ni Naira Marley àti Sam Larry ló pa Mohbad? Àbáwọn tó parọ́ mọ́ ti jẹ́wọ́. We want to know. Just love ọmọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe náà, mọ̀ pé show mi àná yẹn, ó mọ̀ pé wake up show ni. Let them continue to flag. You don't understand? Gist lover, let's talk about those that were being picked. Nigerians want to see the result of the investigation. The way Nigerian police showed the whole world the investigation about Idoma Tom Jones. We want to see Sam Larry and Naira Marley. That is what I'm after. I am not after Naira Marley ló pa Sam Larry ló pa Naira Marley. Entertaining you have to go. Sam Larry and Naira Marley cannot kill Mohbad. People that need to be investigated are those that was with Mohbad and the signing of Mohbad. Those are the people we should entertain on cyberspace. So go and save your Ori group. Or the people who back on the call story Sam Larry lórí page yẹn, èrò máa pọ̀. But look at the comments. Ó drop pani. Ó drop kò sí kankan. And I will continue to stand. Sam Larry and Naira Marley, these two innocent people, are not behind Mohbad's death. The suspects are the people behind or within the house. Lọ́jọ́ tó kú àtàwọn tó gbé travel. Gist lover, why are you protecting àwọn tó gbé Mohbad travel? Are they your family member? Do you know them? Let's Nigeria investigate them now. Let police investigate them. If you guys are not hiding something from the public, why are you hiding those that took Mohbad abroad? I don't know them. I don't know, maybe he even traveled. Allegedly that Mohbad traveled. If truly Mohbad traveled, let Nigerian government or Nigerian police or the necessary office pick up those that travel with Mohbad, not Sam Larry or Naira Marley that Mohbad has left for a very long time. Am I communicating? Since the Idoma case against LIZZY Anjorin, I certainly agree with LIZZY that this lover is a destroyer, enemy of success. Say losing this side. Ṣẹ́ni tó parọ́ mọ́ mi pé mo jí 91,000. Anthony mo jí gold. Narrative mẹ́rin sí márùn ló push. Ó dẹ̀ lo TVC. Tọ́jọ́ ṣorí burúkú tọ́jọ́ máa mọ sàrí àwọn ọmọ wọn. Ó dẹ̀ lo Insta blog. Kọ́kọ́ ló rán lọ sílé DJ Tamisi. Let government pick up these people. Gbogbo information tó release nípa Mohbad. Jẹ́ kára ohun tó fún ẹ. Then we can know who killed Mohbad. Not Naira Marley, Sam Larry. Imagine if it is Sam Larry that even fight that boy. Very guilty. Very pay nonchalant. Kò tí ẹ rí wò. Ìwọ lórí burúkú abatẹnijẹ́ apànìyàn. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣe wèlé mi sínú Idumata. Ìwọ ló order pé kó lọ ra petrol àti táyà kan jù sí mi lọ́rùn. Ìwọ gist lover. Ọlọ́run ló ní Kàlájì dé pẹ̀lú àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọn. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá tèmi dẹ̀ wá ń ta tán dúró dè mí. Tó yẹ Kàlájì òde tán pa mí bó bá yẹ parọ́ mọ́ mi gbé nìyẹn. Because ó ti install àwọn